This is Ethan Hoffman with eXp Realty. Today I'm in Babcock Ranch, checking out some new townhomes built by ParkSquare in their new TownWalk community. I am touring the Adams floor plan. It is an exterior unit with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a loft, 2-car garage, and 1914 square feet. Let's check it out. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Be sure to check out my Facebook group called Inside Babcock Ranch, where I post tours of the model homes, builder incentives, and resale homes, and other information about the community. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.